Question over here. Evaluate double integral r x square y dx dy, where r is the region bounded by the lines y is equal to x, y plus x is equal to 2, and y is equal to 0. This is the question. Now how you can follow? What are the lines they give? Y is equal to x and y plus x is equal to 2, which intersects 1 comma 1. Because x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, absolutely x plus y is equal to 2. Got the point? We came to know this is the intersect. If you take a graph on that, this is 0 comma 0. If you go this line, if one more line comes over here, this point will be 1 comma 1. And on that case, this will be 1 comma 0. This will be 0 comma 1. Yes, which will be intersect over here 0 comma 2 and 2 comma 0. This is y is equal to x. And this line will be x plus y is equal to 2 commonly. Got my point? Now, can you say me the upper limit and lower limit now? I is equal to double integral r x square y dx dy. Now, integral y is equal to
y is equal to
0 to 1.
So 0 to 2, right?
How come?
So
Here,
what is the region? Can you mark the region?
this is the region inside of that.
Okay, 0 to 1.
0 to 1. And x is equal to y to 2 minus y. Because x is equal to 2 minus y. X is equal to y. Here x is equal to 2 minus y. Lower limit and upper limit. X square y dx dy. Fine. Y you take outside. Integral y is equal to 0 to 1. Y. This one will be x cube by 3. X is equal to y to 2 minus y into dy. Now I is equal to 1 by 3. Integral y is equal to 0 to 1. Y of 2 minus y whole cube minus y cube into dy. Yes, since I is equal to 1 by 3, integral y is equal to 0 to 1, y of a minus b whole cube, a cube, of course you know that. Still again minus y cube. Yes, na? Into dy. So I is equal to 1 by 3. Integral y is equal to 0 to 1. 8y minus 12y square plus 6y cube minus 2y power 4 into dy. 1 by 3, 4y square minus 4y cube plus 3 by 2 y power 4 minus 2 into y power 5 by 5. So y is equal to 0 to 1. 1 by 3, 4 minus 4 plus 3 by 2, minus 2 by 5, which is 11 by 30. Therefore, I is equal to 11 by 30. Any doubt? Any point you didn't understand?
Sir, just the initial limits part, I was a little confused, but now it's fine.
Fine. Later on the solvation,
That is okay, sir.
that's fine, right?
Yeah.
Now, don't see the board. Don't see the board. If you want to write on, I'm giving only 2 minutes time. You refer it each and every step because this question is asking number of times.
Yeah.
Fine. 2 minutes once you can read it. Then without seeing up the board, I need answer from you. Next question. Evaluate double integral r xy dx dy where r is the region bounded by the x-axis ordinate x is equal to 2. Sorry, x is equal to 2a and the curve x square is equal to 4ay. This is the question they asked. Here x square is equal to 4ay. While seeing this, it's a parabola symmetrical about y-axis. The point of intersection is x is equal to 2a. Ordinate x is equal to 2a. Fine.
Yeah.
Now, here x is equal to 2a, you submit.
Sir,
2a whole square is equal to 4ay. 4a square is equal to 4ay. So y is equal to a. And from here, this is the way. Yes? 0, 0. Cut the line over here. 2a, 0. 0, a. X square is equal to 4ay and 2a, a. Here the point of intersection. Point of intersection here what it is? 2a, a. Because x is equal to 2a, by value we got a. So this is the point of intersection. Now I is equal to region R, xy, dx, dy. Fine. Dx, dy. Now as per our convenient, what we can doing? Integral x is equal to 0 to a. Why? Because we taken x is equal to 0. I'll explain you. Integral y is equal to 0. Here y value how much? X square by 4a. X square by 4a. Because x square is equal to 4a y. Y is equal to Y value
Okay,
from x square by 4a, xy dy dx. I changed. As per you, integral y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 to 2a, dx dy we have to take. But we taken dy dx. Anything wrong?
no sir.
Because we should solve here this limit. That's my curiosity. Now I is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 2a, x you taken outside, y square by 2. So y is equal to 0 to x square by 4a into dx. So that is equal to half into integral x is equal to 0 to 2a, x into x power 4 by 16a square into dx. So I is equal to 1 by 32 a square x power 6 by 6 integral 0 to 2a. That's equal to 60 power 4 a power 6 by 32 6a square is equal to a power 4 by 3. Finally, I is equal to a power 4 by 3 is the answer. Yes.
Sir, if we would have taken the limits as
Once you replace it and do that,
sir, if we take dx dy, y limits will be 0 to x square by 4a.
same only. Y is equal to 0 to x square by 4a. Integral x is equal to 0 to 2a xy dx dy.
Only the order will change, right? First y limit will come.
Which one? Which one?
If we take dx dy, first y limit will come, right?
First y dx dy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Order is changing.
Yes.
So a different answer I'm getting.
Reason,
I
because that that curve over here, ulta curve. This is this is y axis, this is x axis. On that case, how it will happen? This way it will come, na? Fine. Once the limit changes, the shape of a diagram also will be changed over here. Yes. So that is the reason the lower limit to upper limit x square by 4a, y is equal to 0 to x square by 4a, dy dx we converted. Then entire the region will be a power 4 by 3.
question, sir. How
Mhm.
am I supposed to, when I get a question, how am I supposed to know that here I have to change?
It's only for practice. Only it come from practice only. Always remember, dy dx we solved number of times. Wherever you are observing dx dy, in a certain cases, you see the limits where the intersection happens. Intersection happens in that y position, 2a and a. So first you solve it related to y. Got my point? The intersect position over here, x is equal to 2a, then y is equal to a came. So 2a and a, which position it is? Y-axis only, right? Top, from here to top only, right?
Yeah.
That is the clue actually. This is only clue.
So usually the questions will come as dy dx, right?
Huh.
Only if
See,
dy
question
dy
will comes
comes, I should look for clue.
as per this red letters are there now. This only question. Question don't know at all where is the lower limit and upper limit. We have to decide.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Next. I'm going for next question. Double integral xy dx dy over the positive quadrant of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Over the positive quadrant they're asking. So this is the region, right? What is the point over here? A comma 0. Here 0 comma a. That's it. They're not given anything. This already we know that x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now I is equal to double integral r xy dx dy is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to a, integral y is equal to 0 to square root of a square minus x square xy dy dx. So I is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to a x into y square by 2, y is equal to 0 to square root of a square minus x square into dx. So 1 by 2 integral x is equal to 0 to a x into a square minus x square into dx. That is equal to half into a square into x square by 2 minus x power 4 by 4 integral x is equal to 0 to a. Substitute over here. Half into a power 4 by 2 minus a power 4 by 4, which is equal to a power 4 by 8 will come. That's it. So I is equal to a power 4 by 8. Simple, right? this question. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral x to square root x xy dy dx by changing the order of integration. Xy dy dx which shape? Xy dy dx.
Yes, sir.
Which shape it is? We will find out. I'll help you in this question. You know, I is equal to integral 0 to 1 means integral x is equal to 0 to 1 because dx is here. Integral y is equal to x to square root of x xy dy dx. We need to first identify the region. Y is equal to x, y is equal to square root of x. Between the lines, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Fine. Now, x is equal to square root of x implies x square is equal to x or x into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, comma 1. Understood? Here. So this region we need to be find out. Yes. But we have to change the order of integration. I is equal to y is equal to 0 to 1. X is equal to y square to y. You know why?
Because
X is equal to root x. Why x is equal to root x? Because y is equal to x, y is equal to root x. So x is equal to root x. X square is equal to x. Okay.
yeah,
Now y is equal to root x. Y square is equal to x. Based on that, x is equal to y square to y. Xy dx dy. Now integral y is equal to 0 to 1 y x square by 2 x is equal to y square to y into dy. That is equal to half into integral y is equal to 0 to 1 y of y square minus y power 4 into dy. Now I is equal to half into integral 0 to 1 y cube minus y power 5 into dy. Half into y power 4 by 4 minus y power 6 by 6 0 to 1 1 by 2 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 24. So I is equal to 1 by 24. So this is the way the change of integration. Got the point?